People always ask me, how did I actually open a bakery here in New York City? So today I'm going to break it down. These are the 5 steps that I took to open the Pastry Box. In the 5th step, I'll share one of my failures. I will show you guys the place that could have been the Pastry Box. We are where it all started. Crazy, right there. Literally where that trash can is where we used to set up shop. I initially started this business as a legacy, something to create a legacy, to live out my father's dreams of owning a successful business and passing something on to the next generation. The pop-up was only the beginning. That's how we garnered the community support, but it wasn't enough. The why isn't enough. You actually need the force behind it. You need to put your actions behind the why. Okay, you have the reason why you want to do something, but then you move forward, you work towards it. And for that, you got to get trained. And I'll take you exactly where I got some of my training. Step 2 is training. I am here at one of the places that helped train me in my last restaurant job, Restaurant Danielle, which was also my most difficult restaurant job, but it taught me so much of the things that I needed and I still use to this day in my world at the Pastry Box. Working here helped me really understand how much branding and a brand really mattered. The elegance and the reputation behind the Danielle brand really helped me as to figure out where I wanted to go and the elegance that I wanted to bring towards the Pastry Box and what kind of vibe that I was trying to provide. It also helped me really hone in on my flavor profiles and the flavors that I like to use at the bakery and what we're most known for. When I first came to the East Village, I was kind of unsure, never really been around here, being that I'm a Brooklyn girl, was always in Brooklyn and worked in parts of Midtown Manhattan. So I wasn't really sure about the space or if we fit the vibe, but it was an open space and we needed to move forward with the project. So we decided on taking it. I instantly fell in love with the space, just knowing that it was ours and we had finally secured something after the first place we looked at not working out. I was really happy with it and I knew we could make it into something that could fit the Pastry Box vision. And what I wanted the brand to represent, like visually, it was just like accessible luxury in food, because coming from my fine dining background and always wanted to bring that kind of taste and flavors to just my neighborhood, without it having to feel like it's inaccessible. Always tell people that we have a very grassroots way about us. Like we started outside my apartment, passing out flyers. And I kind of always want to keep with that. Even when we get there, I would like to still make it our marketing a very approachable. I want people who are from small neighborhoods to be able to feel like they can come here and hang out and chill and still have a cookie. Trying to open up a business in New York City, anything and everything will go wrong. I'm actually standing in front of the spot that could have been the Pastry Box, but it didn't work out, which brings me to step number 5, improvise, adapt, and overcome. After months and months of negotiating, we finally signed a lease with this location. And then because of management issues, it eventually fell through. But that doesn't make me wonder, what if we did get this location? Like, what would the Pastry Box have become? The vibe here in Murray Hill is very different. This street is a main street. This failure honestly taught us the importance of small wins, because having the space in the East Village really brought it back to our core values, which are community and our grassroots vibe that we had since the beginning. Thank you guys so much for coming along this journey with me. And listen, there is no perfect path to success, but if you believe in what you're doing and stay consistent, you'll figure it out, just like I did.